Hello and welcome to How to Play Red Dog, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Red Dog. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 3 to 8 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck and something to make bets with, such as poker chips. Before the cards are dealt, each player will make an ante. Then, each player is dealt 5 cards, 1 card at a time. The object of the game is to win bets by having a higher ranking card of the same suit in hand than the top card of the deck on your turn. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player left of the dealer is first to bet. A player can bet any amount up to the amount of chips in the pot. Player 2 bets 1 chip that a card in hand is of higher rank and in the same suit as the top card of the deck. The dealer flips the top card from the deck. Player 2 is only required to show 1 card that can win the bet. Player 2 shows the 10 of clubs. The original bet plus an equal amount is taken by player 2. Play moves left to player 3. There are 4 chips in the pot and player 3 decides to bet the max of 4 chips. The dealer flips the top card from the deck. Player 3 shows the 10 of diamonds and takes the pot. When the pot runs out in the middle of a round, each player will make another ante. After the antes are made, play moves to player 4. Player 4 bets 2 chips. The dealer flips over the top card from the deck. Player 4 is unable to beat the jack of diamonds that was flipped. When a player loses, the bet made stays in the pot and the player has to show all the cards in hand. Play moves to player 5 who makes a bet. The dealer flips the card and player 5 is able to win. Play moves to the dealer, player 1. Player 1 makes a bet and flips the top card of the deck. Player 1 loses and the bet stays in the pot. The deal moves to the next player to the left. The remaining pot rolls over to the next round. Plus, each player makes another ante before the new round of cards is dealt. A player can skip betting and fold by paying 1 chip to the pot. When folding, no cards are shown. Players can agree to skip the pre-round ante if the pot being rolled over is large enough. That wraps up how to play Red Dog. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.